Are you looking for space-saving organizational tips on how to store your ribbon and florals? I've got just the thing for you. Welcome to Still Waters Wreath Designs. Come on in. Let's start with the ribbon storage. I've just bought a second shoe rack that, while I don't really think would be good for actually storing shoes, it is an excellent space-saving storage option for ribbon. I found this rack on Amazon. I'll make sure I leave a link for you below in the description of this video if you'd like to grab one for yourself. This rack has a super simple assembly that doesn't require any tools to build, and it took me about 15 minutes to get it totally built. I'm adding my taller rolls of ribbon to the top where there's no space limitations. And I decided to tie a pipe cleaner around each set of crossbars just for a little bit of extra strength and stability. I was a little bit worried that they might part, so we're just going to prevent that right away. This measures approximately 60 inches tall, 38 inches wide, and 7 inches deep. There are 10 rows on the storage piece. Each row holds 16 standard-sized rolls of ribbon for a total of 160 rolls. Now that I have 2 of these stands, I've got enough storage for 320 rolls of ribbon, and I've taken up very little floor space. Perfect. Okay, we're on to floral storage. Okay, on to floral storage. I needed a way to keep my florals organized and out of the way, yet easily accessible, so my husband and I built a small floral wall. All you'll need for this project are some 1x4s measured for the length of your available wall space, some inexpensive plastic bathroom trash cans, I picked these up at Dollar General, some washers, some lightweight screws, and your drill. Starting with the top row, run your 1x4s horizontally, leaving enough room between the board and your ceiling for the length of your florals. Next, grab your plastic trash cans and screw them into the 1x4s, making sure to place a washer between your trash can and the screw. Space your trash cans approximately 6 inches apart. Then move on down to your next row. You'll want at least approximately 18 inches between each row. Be sure to stagger the trash cans so they aren't directly below one another. This will give you more room for your taller florals. I've got 2 rows mounted to the wall and 1 row on the floor for a total of 12 floral trash cans. I hope you found these storage tips helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.